Here's a quick example of support being tested several times on the daily time frame with Bitcoin. As you can see here, it tests this support at least 3 times. So for me, that's the minimum, 3 times. Then you can safely say that's an area of support. Okay. This would be a great area of interest for buyers because it's bounced off there 3 times. Now let's take a quick look back to May 12th as an example. Okay. May 12th, this is an area of support at 28.7K. And as we click through, we can clearly see that it tests it multiple times. So it would have been safe to play if you're playing on the smaller time frames to take a quick long because until it's invalidated right there, this was a big area of support. And that's it. Pretty simple. As long as it hits it 3 times, you're good to go.